Hi guys, it's Mike Hayes again, and as promised, I came up with something brand new, so I'm only choosing a few select friends to send this to, because in our really great meeting yesterday, we talked about, well, how can I really apply this, Mike, what we are learning here in Cheers to my local Chamber of Commerce or my local networking group. So I really created a tool to really teach you how to use this in the best way possible, and I wanted to create some imagery that would really help you to understand exactly how to apply this. So, because I want to teach you guys how to, this is not down the road, this is a get started today scenario, and when you look at this video, you can see exactly what I mean, because first, I'm going to show you the end point. So the next slide I show you, if it looks a little complicated, don't worry about it, because this is not the beginning, this is where it ends up. It's very, very comprehensive, so take a look at it. This is where we want to end up. We want to have an abundance of new clients for you, and to do that, I created this, what I call a new client tower. So you think of a funnel, well, that's what this is the opposite of. The funnel is down here, but how do you get people into your funnel? So that's why I created the new client tower, because a lot of people, I think, have been looking at this from the wrong perspective, from the bottom up instead of from the top down. So in order to help you create your belief system, here's the imagery I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you a champagne tower, and then if you could create a champagne tower like this, you can create a new client tower. So I want to kind of cover this with you and have a little fun with it at the same time. So think of this as steps, like making a champagne tower, so that you can have abundant clients and they can flow like champagne into your business funnel. And I promise, by the end of this short presentation, just a couple of minutes, you're going to know how to build both a champagne tower and a new client tower. Take a look. So let's start here. How do you build, or how do you make a champagne tower? You simply start with step one, and that is to grab a champagne glass. You want to use a coupe glass or a coupe glass to make sure they are all identical. Likewise, you want to start simply by creating your new client tower as well. So you want to start simply. So step one is to attend a single local networking meeting. And this is where you can comfortably meet people who want to network for new business, and they will happily share their business card with you. And again, this is all flowing into your business or into your funnel. Now, as a note, just so you understand, as local Chamber of Commerce ambassadors here, we're going to call this a local chamber networking, but any local networking will do. Any BNI group or meetup, it'll work very nicely for you to create your own new client tower. So let's take this step by step. Let's get back to building our champagne tower. So you construct the first layer, 7 glasses, okay, step by step. Now for your new client tower, go to your local chamber, invite members of a local networking group. Like I said, we recommend local chambers, and I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons. They make their membership available to the public. Now, that may not be important if you're in just one networking group, but we're going to show you how that applies to using multiple networking groups digitally and build a mega audience. So we want to help you how you can kind of tap into the members of a local networking group. Now, what you want to be able to do is you want to have an abundance of clients. You want to think and act abundantly. You want to invite abundance. Likewise, we're going to teach you how to use your new client tower to invite abundance, an abundance of people that you can reach to invite to network with you digitally. Now, what I'm going to say and explain next is very, very important about building a mega audience like this. This is a mega audience, 500 people all showing up to network, to talk, and in one room because they were there to network. But is that where it starts? No, that's where it ends up, is in abundance, okay? So let's look at another way of why this is very important to focus on your chamber. Chambers often make their membership lists available. So as a free bonus for understanding how to use your local Chamber of Commerce, you can also use their website where they have their members directories. and you can use outreach digitally. You can network digitally by reaching out to the membership sites. See, all of these people here in their listing here, this is a listing of their members. Here's their profile. So they are profiled here online. That's why I'm saying a lot of private groups won't do this, but chambers of commerce will. This is how you build huge audiences of people that want to network, love networking, and want to meet you. So now, how do we make this happen? Okay, now you want to make it easy for people by introducing yourself with your short elevator speech and a promise to send them an invitation to network for free with you and a group of professional small business owners and entrepreneurs. And forgive me, I know there's a couple of typos, but I'm only sending this off to a couple of friends to see the big picture here. I will be continuing to work on this. I will have all the typos gone, but I just wanted to get your reaction to the big picture here because this is very, very exciting. And don't forget, all you have to do is invite people to our Cheers networking group where everybody learns your name. So back to our champagne tower. In the center, the stem of the glass over, get this, the diamond openings on the bottom layer. So that's a key to getting balance, is to focus on diamonds, right? Well, likewise, step number 4, diamonds. We want to help you to transform paper business cards, the ones that you collect at local chamber networking events, into your own diamonds. Diamonds of clients, diamonds of referral partners. So to do that, you've got to follow through on your promise to invite them to enjoy more of what they came there for, and that is mixer networking. Okay, let's keep building. Now, remember, repeat until a single glass is on the top. So once you've got the foundation built, you just keep going until you have one single glass at the top. Likewise, you keep repeating the process until you are at the top. Become a trusted and recognized authority in your local networking group. Simply start networking digitally today by emailing invitations to network with them digitally in our Zoom Chamber Mixer events online called Cheers, where everybody learns your name. How much simpler could it be? Congratulations on building your champagne tower, and congratulations on building your new client tower. It's that simple. Now, so start with local mixer success online, and likewise with your client tower. You start with local mixer success, invite them to a webinar. Now here's one of the new keys too. I want you to understand that we can use this webinar to point out a number of different things here, okay? This is why I call this a tower. Because in addition to using the Cheers webinars to introduce you, what if you start your own say Zoom meeting, okay? And then in our future webinars, we can begin to introduce you and your own meeting in our chat box and talk about, the networking meeting that you're having, and we can put the address of how they can get to your networking meeting right in there. So now all of a sudden you're starting to see how this can grow exponentially to get new clients to flow into your business and your funnel. And so that's how you get a mega mixer success online, and that's how we get mega mixer success online with people too. So we want to invite mega people to flow into your business, and what happens when you do that? Guess what? Your success is our success because we're all working together, and client towers can grow mega audiences with friends. How much more fun can you have than networking with friends? So here's to your success through our success, because they're all the same thing. Here's the end result of getting mega clients to flow into your business, and I wanted to help you to get started today by seeing the big picture of how important this is, but how simply you can get started by attending one single Chamber of Commerce networking event and start to collect cards there so that you can get going on developing exponential growth in your business. And I look forward to working with you and helping you to accomplish that with your own local Chamber of Commerce networking. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mike Hayes, founder of TheNewEconomyChamber.com.